Hello guys, we're back to more videos. So today we're gonna playing Tower of Jump here now. So anyways guys, watching more videos or channel to like to show. So anyways guys, that's this game. So I'm gonna keep on easy mode. So anyways guys, we're gonna jump very high. So anyways guys, I need to beat this match again. So anyways, I need green. Okay. What about the ring? What about the ring setting is? So running out of that time guys. So anyways guys, this is the easiest game in the world. So I'm not gonna fall, so that I'm not gonna fall. So anyways guys, I'm gonna just keep talking once again, but anyways guys, we're gonna keep jumping. We're gonna keep jumping. Bro, why I'm lagging? Stop lagging. No! Come on, stop calling or else. Okay, so anyways guys, this is the hardest game or medium. So anyways guys, this one is medium. So that's okay. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so anyways guys, we're gonna keep don't see the phone of the I'll give up. I'll give up them, okay? No, don't fall. I'm on anxiety. Okay, so I'm at the top, okay? So ano was it? Be careful! Be careful! Be careful! Be careful! I'm gonna do it. Oh my god! Come on! I'm doing it right, yes! Haha, look at this. Haha, I'm gonna get I'm rich now. How many things do you have? You have 60. Okay, one. Okay, I have 62. Yeah, I'm win. Yeah, I win, huh? I don't care. This is the winner room, guys. Okay, so I don't care. Give me wins. Do I have? Please. Yes, thank you. Come on, do it, huh? Yeah. So I'm going to just do it video. Okay, I'm going to just plot you, huh? So anyways guys, that is the easiest game. I'm gonna wait this, so we're going to be easy game. So we only have 10 seconds guys, so anyways that I don't care. Yes, let's go. This is this game. This is the easiest game guys. This is the easiest game. This is the easiest game. Today we're going to easiest game. And impossible yet. So anyways guys, this is the easiest game that impossible yet. Let's do it. No, do not fall. Oh, do not fall. Do not fall, guys, because I'm using my tablet. So that's okay. That is the easiest game. Ha! Look at you. Oh, oh. Ah, you're trying me. I'm going to win. Let me win. Come on, let me win. Come on, let me. I'm going to. No! There. Why is it hard? I thought it was easy, right, guys? So, anyways, guys, we're going to keep easy. I'm gonna just run. No, 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 no. No. Yes. Let's go. Go. That's the easiest game. Come on, please. 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 Come on, go, 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 go. Okay, guys. So that is the easiest game in one. So first game, I've win 63. Why? I'm 105 guys. That is so 25 guys. We're almost made it guys because it's so intense, hardest because it's easiest game guys. So honestly, we're going to see that every time guys. So I'm going to see that this and this one. Let's go like this, huh? Or else I'm going to. Yeah. Okay guys, so. Yes. Well, subscribe guys. I'm yelling at you guys. So guys, we're going to keep on easy game, guys. So yeah, just subscribe. Oh my god. Try again or else. Okay, come on. Yeah, thank you guys. Okay, so guys, No! Do it again, okay? Do it again, please. Let me just do it again. Try again. Yes! Very good! Survive ages. I don't know what because I win. I win first. Because the event just win. Because look at this idiot. Let's go down. Let's go down, guys. Fall! Oh my god, I accidentally fall higher. Look at you, loser. I am 6. So, I mean, at easiest game. Impossible yet. And hard. If you get hard mode, I don't care. I'm easy. I don't really care about you. I'm not gonna look at you anymore because you're ugly and disgusting. Come on. What the heck? Okay, that's good. Look at me, easy. I'm easy, guys. I'm easy. No! What the heck? This fall and I'm in it. Come on, sorry. Let me know some space, okay? I don't know what it is. I'm gonna just use this game. That is the easiest game in the world, so I don't say. Oh, easy. That's easy, guys. What? Why did I just fall? Okay, so on those guys, we're gonna wait until time. My start. So we're gonna wait. Okay, so on those guys, I'm gonna wait until the second, I think, is the second video and the third video again. And also the fourth video and third video and the second video and the first video again. And sixth video is gonna be a new video. So on those guys, this silly ass girl. This, wait, sorry guys. This silly old girl. This, I'm gonna call you an old girl. So that is the point of this thing. Okay, so on those guys. We're gonna wait, okay? Let me wait. Oh, yes. If I fall, I'm going to skip all of the videos, okay? Okay. Please comment me. 1,000 come. Everyone comes first. And also 900 come. What the heck? She's cheating. Bro. Not fair. Not fair, guys. I thought I'm easy. Come on. Come on. Come on, it's easy, guys. Come on, it's easy. Oh, no! Bro, what is wrong with this thing? Oh my god. I'm jumping. And bonus. Oh my god. I'm accidentally made it, guys. We're accidentally. Oh. Yes. Come on. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yes! I have 30 minutes ago. So I'll say these 3. Yeah! I win! 64! Okay, that's good. 64 wins, guys! 64 wins! Okay, guys, so that is the easiest game in the world, guys! So that is the goodest video in the world. So I'm going to sing. I wanna be fun, yourself funny. Okay, so that's good. The song is video in the world. So I know this. I'm going to. Please, let me win. What the Sigma? What the Sigma? Come on. Go. Oh my god, you know what? Fine. I don't care. Yes. I win on purpose. I'm gonna get winner. I'm going to get winner. I'm gonna go down. Come on, it's easy, right? Come on. You can do it. You can do it, right? You can do it on purpose, okay? Okay. I'm a pro. I'm a pro. It's easier. Hey yo guys, it's so pro. Nice to meet it. Okay. Oh my god. Why did he even change in 105? I thought it was changed to 104 to 105. That's not. Yeah. I thought I'm win. Why did I just say bad word? Oh my god. Please, don't say the bad word. Ano? Sin. What is sin? What is sin, I think is? That's not you. Yeah, I don't care. You know ba? What? Say bad word. I think if it just say the bad word, I think is. That is easiest game. Right, guys? I love you, girl. I'm going to you can't sleep. Yay. Oh my god, I asked already before. Hey, girl, I really love you. Hey, yo, I'm going to kiss your balls. Hey, can I kiss your balls? Please, girlie. Yes. Come on. Come on, I love you. Come on. Hey. Hey. YouTube. I love YouTube. Come on. Ah ha 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 ha. People, guys. People. So, nice guys. That's good. That's good. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Let's wait until the teamer hits 0. Yes, hits 0. Yes, I know. Yes, I need to the steamer. What is steamer or timer? You're a Nova. I don't care. You're an idiot. I don't care. I don't like you. And you too. Because I like YouTube as well. So I'm gonna be a YouTuber. Just I'm gonna keep easy game. Lisa Pro. I'm a pro. What the Sigma? Sigma. Bro. Sigma boy. Sigma boy. Sigma boy. Oh my god. Stop. It's easy. I thought it was easy. No. Yeah, just call out there because it's so hard. It's the easiest game. I thought it was easy. Do not fall, alright. I'm gonna get rich now. This is the easiest game. But impossible yet, please. Oh my god. Come on. I'm gonna lead to him, okay? That's the easiest game, guys. Who is jumping? That guy is the lazy guy. Not lazy. It was him, fire. He's the fire thing. And he has a red face in it. He's a red skin. But I don't... No! No, please. Please, I wanna keep an easiest game. You just beat this game. 1/3. You have 1/3, huh? Yeah, 65. 65 wins. Yes. I love you. Come on, I need to push you. Hey, yo. Let me this picture. No! Let me picture. Wait, hold on. Oh. Who's jumping now? Okay, let me know in the comments, guys. That's the easiest game because this annoying girl who's something. Elsa wanted to beat that game. What's that? Let's see. Let's see this in hard water. See. Come on. You can do it, player. I'm believing you. No. The easiest game in a possible. You can do it, guys. You can do it. Come on. Yes, you can do it, guys. You can do it. Believing you. Come on. If you fall again, I don't care. I'm leaving you. I'm gonna leave you now. Run! The silly girl. The silly girl. The silly girl. The silly girl. Oh, the silly girl. No. Wow, I love you. I do this. You have one list. Haha, zero. I'm going to kick me. Kick me. I love you. Please. Can you kiss me? I love you. Let's see. The game. No, look at me. I'm seeing it. Noob! Look at you! You lazy bone! Oh! Oh! Karen! Karen the Karenson! I'm gonna call you Karen the Karenson. Hey! Oh wait! You trying me? Karen the Karenson. No! Karen the Karenson. And also the poo-poo. I'm going to kiss you. I love her so much. Because she's annoyed. Give me everything, it's not for me. Give me everything, it's not for me. I thought you guys. It's gonna stop. Keep up on my track, So, no, my character! Okay, I'm going to... I'm gonna go win. You can't win because you have 0. Wait, you Roblox. Ooh, Roblox. Right now. Roblox. New map! Come on, give me a new map. Come on. I'm gonna be Sina like a turtle because I'm gonna pro because Sina like a turtle. Come on, let's go. Come on, 0. I'm going to speed run this. Come on, wait. Let me win first. I'm a winner, guys. I can't see. Let me in. Stop! Oh, it made me so hard. Don't you dare ever make a new... I don't know. What about it? I am level. I only got 65 levels. This is the easiest game, guys, right? Okay, let's wait. Let's win this game, okay? This is the easiest game, not hard, and only easy. This is the easiest game, guys! Me and my brother are going to join me. Okay, so that is the easiest game. Okay. Do not! It's easy. I am a green one. I'm a frog, guys. My dad is a frog. They can turn it into a frog, yeah? So I think we're gonna turn him into a frog, okay? So that is game. Let's go. I'm dancing right now. Yeah! 66 wins, guys. Yay! 2 seconds. Yes, I know. Hey, Karen the Karenson. I'm gonna call you Karen the Karenson. Hey, you Karen. I'm gonna call you a Karenson. I don't know. Sorry. I just call it. I call her a Karenson. Hey, you listen. I'm gonna win. Let me win. Please, I wanna eat. Nah. Come on, let me win. Let me win, okay? Carry the Karenson. It's back to more normal, I guess. Come on. You can do it. Whatever you want. How many minutes? Come on, minutes. 1 penny piece. 1 piece. 1 for piece. 1 piece. Hey. 3, 4, 1, 2, 1 for piece. 1 for piece. Mang. Ding. Dong. Ding. I'm gonna kiss you both. Hey! I love you. Can you kiss me? I love you. Hey, do you marry me, please? Do you marry me? I'm not touching your back. I'm going to dance with you. Look at me, guys. Look at me. Kissing her balls. Oh. Oh! Yes! One penalty! You anger? No, I'm gonna succeed on this. Okay. Let's the easiest game. Okay. I have top. I have my top, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna make a long video guys. I'm gonna make hours or 3 hours. What? A friend and one friend. Oh, I have a new friend. Karen the Karen or new friend. Alesha. Alesha. CCR 1800 CC. Let me know in the comments guys. Fish. One pen on fish. Somehow with one for fish. I love you. Stop kissing my balls. Stop kissing my balls. Hey, you're cute. Hey, come on. You're so cute, right? I'm gonna join you. I gotta distance. Yay! Welcome back to the Tower of Geoffrey Allows. Hey, welcome back. Go with the Doman. It's pretty, it's funny. Okay, oh, you can't beat this. You can't beat this game. You can do it. You can just. It's a trick. Wait, hold on. Hey, yo. They're just green and also. I got. I'm gonna win. Fall on and just skip video when I'm losing time. When I'm losing time, then I'm gonna skip it. I'm not gonna give up because it's easy. I'm going to fall. I don't wanna fall. Oh no, it's gonna be hard. No, please. I'm at the top. I'm at the top of there. Yes, I'm at the top of there. Please. I don't wanna fall, please. I wanna win first. Wanna win first. Come on. Ooh, yes. I win first. Yes. 67 on 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay. Yay. I'm still alive like a turtle. Turtle. Can you kiss me? Can I like a turtle? Can I like a turtle? Like a Hey. Let's see there's let's go down. Let's see there's it's hard mode. It's now harder. Okay, that's good. What kind of fish? Come on, why? Like this or else. I will push you. Can I push you? Hey, push you. I'm gonna push you. What kind of fish? I want to fish. I want meat. Oh my god! I'm doing it! Ayo! I'm a talent! Yay! Can I join you? Okay. Which dance? Hey, what are you doing? Do you wanna join? Hey, do you wanna join us? Yeah, I'm touching right now. Okay, so nice. Come on, you can do it. Or else I'm going to ruin you. Ah! Wrong way, idiot! You're an idiot first now. Wrong way. I don't care. If you... sing that. Stop saying that. Philippines. Only English. Please. Yes. Yes. Easy. I'm a official talent, guys. I'm a official talent. I'm a talent now. Yes. Oh. Let's see it. Hey, I'm a talent style. I am a talent style. me. I'm talent. So I'm not now going to cheat now. No! Welcome back, girls. Come back. Also, I love you. Anyway. Alright. It was easy, right? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm easy. Look at me, I'm easy, guys. Look at me, I'm easy. Easiest game. Impossible, yeah! Why do you just fall? Look at me. Uh-huh. Ouch! One time, please. One please. Manalo ka, manalo, please. Please. Manalo ka, manalo, please. Manalo ka, manalo, please. Manalo ka, manalo, please. Manalo ka, manalo, please. Ang dami mo do not do stop like that, please. Oh, please, please try to over, please. I'm a pro, right? I'm a pro. So please comment me if you want, guys. I just do it in purpose, guys. Oh my god. How about like this? Can you kiss me? Look at him. Why? Why? Can I kiss you? Mwah. Hey, what's your butt? Hey! Where are you? Hey! So, first, I'm easy, right? First, please first, guys. Beating Abby, guys. Me beating Abby. Oh my god, I can't see. Why there's a... Oh my god, this is so hard. No, wait for me, wait for me, wait for me. Wait. And it's easy, right? Oh, oh. No. No, 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 no. Yes. Yes, yes. You know what? I'm going to skip. Oh my god, this is the hardest game. Oh my god. Not easy. It's not easy. Or no, I'm going to. You know what? I'm going to skip there. I can't skip, but because I don't really know. So why there's so many people in there? Because it's so hard. I can't even beat that. I can't even beat that game. It's so hard. Because I can't even beat that game. No, I hate this game. Yeah, I'm gonna beat that game, guys. Sir or not? I don't know. So I'm gonna ask you guys. This is the hardest game. It's been here for, I don't really know. It's been here for 2 minutes, I guess. Or 30 seconds or 30 minutes. Let me just go back into it. So anyways guys, I'm gonna start with this. So. Okay, so anyways guys, I just interested falling. So anyways guys, I'm going to just watch because it's so hard. It's medium or easy game. It's not easy. Why is it hard? I thought it was easy. I wanted to keep on easy game. 2 hours, 3 minutes. How could to spell minutes? Minutes. 2 minutes, I guess. What is 2 minutes. What is 2? Been here for 2 minutes. Been here for 2 minutes, guys. Come on. Come on. Okay, so I'm gonna dance. So I can't even beat that because it's so hard. It's not easy, it's so hard. It's easy, guys. It's not hard, it's easy. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, let's go on with this. We're going to keep an easiest game in the world, guys. So let's guys. I'm gonna keep jumping once again. So it's been here for 1 minute. I don't talking about it. And the second, every second I take is every second. Alarm. What is alarm? One and 1 minute and 59 minutes. 1 minute and 59 seconds. Can I click on you? Please, can I clap? Please. Oh my god, okay. What did you leave? I thought I'm going to beat that game. I thought it's easy, right? It's the easiest game. The puzzle. Why? You always leave me. Oh no! No. I'm going to block you. Oh, wait, I'm going to beat that game. Keep this. It's been here for 6 minutes or 6 seconds. She's cheating because look at her. She's cheating. I don't like her. No one. Okay. Don't you dare fall. I hate falling. I don't like falling around this. Oh! Do not fall. If you fall, then I'm dead. Come on, let's beat that game. The orange part. This is game, guys. This game. My avatar looks good, guys. So I don't say. Oh, I'm gonna me first. Go! I said go. Anger. What is anger? Oh my god. Again. I can't see. You know what? I'm gonna do what I do. Okay, so I don't say. I can't see enough, so I don't say. I now can see. But it's okay. And also me, guys. Also, I'm gonna beat that game. So me and the best friend I'm going to play. That is the easiest game. Oh no! Skip. So I keep on falling like this. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy. It's hard. No, it's easy. Okay, that's good. This 9 out of 10. I don't like this game. I like this game, but I don't like. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna just rejoin for this group. I don't really sure about that. I don't know if it's okay. So now, guys. This is the hardest game, guys. That's the hardest game I've ever seen in my life, guys. Come on, do easy. Go. Do easy, guys. Come on, it's easy. Come on, it's not give up. No, it's not give up. It's not give up. No! Stop! Come on, please. Or else I'm gonna leave. I just rejoined the new server. Server. I keep on falling. It's not easy. Not, I'm just skip now. There. I only got 69, guys. I just skip all. I just skip my videos. I'm not really sure about that. Just speak Spanish. English or Spanish around there. Let me know in the comments, guys. And also, this is the hardest game. It's not easy. It's hard. Why is it hard? It's not. But how to... Oh, hard. Okay. Maybe. Okay, so I just read there. 1 second, guys. Okay, so start off job, guys. I'm going to ruin you. You bald man, you bald girl, huh? You bald girl. I love you. I love you. Like and subscribe, guys. I hate you. I don't like you guys so much, and I hate this hobby. And I like the hobby. Sorry, guys. You made it worse, and I don't like this thing because I don't even know. I don't even know, guys, because it made me upset. Look at this booty. Look at me, booty. Look at me. Uy, I'm going to kiss you. I'm going to kiss you. And look at me. I'm gonna me first. Me first. Yes. No. Oh my god. Wait, where is it? Oh my god, this is so hard, this is so hard. Why are you all putting hard? Are you serious? I hate this. Oh my god. Stop doing that. Okay. Oh my god. We're gonna able to do this, guys. And my baby. And my baby certificate. Of by putting baby certificate. Okay. Do not fall. Do not fall. Do not fall. I'm a pro. I'm a big pro. Stop. Stop. Wait. How? That's, come on, let me in. Oh god, I don't. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. This is the hardest game. It's not easy, but it's only reason about this. It's hard. I thought it's easy, guys. Bro, it was easy. And also, there's so many people. It's been here for 3 minutes. I wanted to skip it, but I just did honest. Come on. Come on, 17, please. So, I'm just yelling about this. I don't wanna play anymore because I don't like this shitting. Come on, go, go! What a signal! What a signal! What the heck? Help! I can't move! Help me! Okay, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go up. Please, go, 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 go! Go 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 go. Come on, let's go guys. So what is guys, we're going to see like this. Look at you lazy bone. I can't even help you at all. Look at her. She's a motherfucker. Okay, I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go up and no, 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 no. I wanted to beat this game, guys. I don't wanna beat this game, but I beat this game. I wanted to express thing of India's thing. Go! Okay, that's good. Sorry guys. Go, 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 please, go, 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 please, go, please, go, please, go, please, go, please. Come on, I need to beat this game, guys. I need to beat this game because it's so hard. I don't want to get a hard mode, guys. I don't want to get a hard mode, guys. Okay. I wanted to get win. I wanted to get win. Go, go. Ooh. Go, 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 go. It's been here for 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Go! I hate this game. Not like I really like hard mode. I like hard mode because I still have a tendron. I still have a tendron, I think. Yes! I like hard mode. This hard mode is good. And I really like it so much. No! I'm so sorry. I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. Go 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 go. No 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 no. Go 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 go. Go 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 go. I don't like this game. I'm going to just skip so I don't guys. I'm gonna skip. I don't know the rest. I don't know the rest. I know. I like hard mode. I really like hard mode. I don't like game. I don't like it. I like hard mode. I like hard mode, guys. I like hard mode. See, it's hard. I like hard mode, guys. See. I really like hard mode. Okay. Me first and then do that. Okay, so if I fall, I like hard mode. So I was like, it's the easiest game. Who's that? Who's the girl? Who's the easiest girl? Go! Don't you ever dare, or else I'm gonna say I like hard mode. I like hard mode now. No, this girl wanted to just skip now. Okay, so okay, so gonna just do that. It's been here for 3 minutes. 3 minutes ago, 3 years, or 3 minutes. Go! 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 3 minutes ago. Go! 8 minutes or 8 seconds. 71. That is the hardest thing. Okay. But Look at me. I'm gonna. Oh my god. Come on. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna make 2 hours, guys. Or 3 hours. I'm gonna make 3 hours, guys. What else, guys? We're gonna make 3 hours, guys. So, what else, guys? Do you wanted to see the girl wanted to just win this? Win this? I don't really know. I don't know. Stop. Yes, I have top. Top. Top 71. Top 71, guys. Top 71, okay? So, what else, guys? We're going to... I don't know! Okay, guys, so what else, guys? We're gonna just... I don't know. It's just a dance or something else. I don't really know. I'm gonna one. I'm gonna just jump or just. You know what? I don't remember that. I don't remember that. Okay, so I'm gonna just win. I wanted to just dance. I guess I don't really know. Okay, I'm just a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna win. No, look at me. I wanna. Ooh, ooh, I wanna follow you. I wanna follow you. Ah! I wanna follow you. Or else you get a dead meat card. A dead meat card, I guess. I just say that every time. That is the point of this. I'm gonna follow you. Ah! Hey you! Or else. I'm gonna follow you. Hey. Come on my butt. Okay, that's good, Alex. I hate Alex so much. I'm gonna give him a dead meat card. So this is bad. I'm gonna give him a dead meat card, okay? So I don't like Alex card. I hate you so much, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is the easiest game. Okay. XP. This. Yes, okay. English. To Spanish. English to Spanish. Okay. I'm gonna just win for you. Hi. I'm going to just win, yeah. Oh my god. I wanna. Oh my god. Come on. Respawn. Respawn very soon. Where is it? Where is the hardest game? Okay. Indonesian, huh? Indonesian. This the easiest game. That in this the India. English or Spanish? This is Spanish. No. So many people. This was see that. Internet do. There's no internet. This lazy internet. Okay. So why don't everyone just freeze there? In a couple moments. Okay, so let's see. There's no internet. Why? It's not even work. Oh my god. Why do it? Okay. I thought it was a long video, guys. Okay, guys. So one of us, guys. If you want more videos, share my like, subscribe. So, guys, a hard time. So goodbye.